Oh, lots of trains, huh? Get on. Here, do you want to move it? Here, let's move it over here. Can you reach it better? Go around that way.
Come over here.
See, now you can reach it. Oh, there's a train driving on the road before it gets on the track?
Oh, that's
Is that good? Should we open your stocking? Look, Santa brought presents in Jacob's stocking too. Should we bring those to Grandma's house maybe? Or do you want to open them here? We'll open them here. Okay, Dad.
Do you want to open your stocking? Yeah? Okay, let's open your stocking. Maybe Mommy can grab it for us.
Try it. Oops. Ah.
Oh, look at all this stuff for Jacob. Come here. Oh, here you go.
Look what Santa brought.
Can you rip it open? There you go. Oh, what's in there? Oh, what is that? Oh, is that a car? Look at that.
Please.
You want Daddy to open that?
Before you do anything else, could you do me a favor and just turn off that bottom
What is that?
light there, because where you're sitting.
Oh.
Thanks. Do you want to look at what else is in your stocking?
What else is here?
Look. Not that one lost.
What else is in here? Oh, what's that? Here. Right here. Want some help? Here you go.
Stop, Jared.
Open it up. Oh, look, it's a blue truck. What do you say?
Tanner, stop.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Tell Santa thank you.
Thank you. Ah,
Did you get another one? You want to go look at more stocking stuff?
Wait, what's it now? I think there's more stuff in here. Oh, another one? Okay, come here. Can you open it? You want Daddy to open it? Oh, look at that. Jacob has a pretty now. Is that Mickey Mouse? Yeah, that's a Christmas ornament. Uh-huh. No, let's leave it in the box for now. You put it on your table? What else is in here? Oh, what's that noise? Oh. Oh, you got some goldfish. What is this?
How quickly the fish get tossed aside.
Yeah, no kidding. Can you open it?
I guess those weren't keepers.
Wait, Jacob, look. Can you rip it open? Oh, keep going. What is that? What is that? Are those more cars? Good job. Do you want some help? What do you say?
Are you excited? Do you like cars?
You ready?
Was Santa nice to Jacob? Yeah, Santa thought Jacob was a good boy, so Jacob got some nice toys. I'm going to put them in the garage. And this one?
Jacob, do you want your other cards? Good job.
Oops. Mom dropped it. It's okay. What do you say?
Can you give me the paper on the floor? Thank you. That should keep him busy for at least 10 minutes.
Are you having fun? Jacob, look at these. Watch.